Oh my god, babe, that dinner was so good.
My belly full till all food that come out of my neighbor.
Ew, it's nasty.
Sure.
You know the best part was that rice cake.
Rice cake?
Yeah, the rice cake.
We never eat no rice cake.
What do you mean we didn't eat rice cake?
And the bottom part of the rice we eat the bun. You're not dead, chill man, you're not dead, everything good. But me have a present, you know, we get a present.
Do?
Yeah.
What is it?
You see your relationship go on one day now? Kinda, we get something for Valentine's Day, you see that?
Oh my god, that's, it smells so good. That's so sweet.
There's some cologne for it too.
Oh, guess what?
What?
I got you a surprise.
What?
You remember that thing that we talked about in the bedroom? With the other person?
For real? Today?
Yeah.
Yeah, like.
Oh, look. She's texting right now.
Yeah. Yo, me love you today, yeah? Me love you today.
I'll be right back.
One baby. Me no shake hand cause one woman love dig on a bogo. You good?
Yeah, here waiting on you.
You're gonna relax now.
Okay.
Bring something for the white man Valentine, no? Think of Bible and shit, you know?
What am I supposed to do with this?
Good for your skin.
Oh.
And some plant. Some plant me bring come here, you know? This a big man thing, you know?
I guess this is about that counts.
Tad, you can cook that with some tofu for me to come out. You know? So I want sexy night thing though. Now like your house, nice though.
Thank you.
How can you do that?
Yeah.
I want the blood clot to go on inside or something.
What am I doing in my house?
A fish that you know say upcoming fish.
How will you got fish after?
I can explain. I can explain. I just wanted to try something new.
I want my shoes in.
New.
I just wanted this to work.
Wow. Where fire some of your big tat behavior. Fire for you and your dirty man who have on beer shit nine clothes. You know what? Me I left your place too, you know. Batty boy. Upcoming
sorry.
fish. Boy.
Shit, that's on my pants too.
No, there's no doodle. I'm sorry.
That woman need to fuck for it.
You said the threesome.
Stop following me on Instagram. I'm gonna block you and flag your page too.